You think a bikini wax is enough. But I am here to tell you that most women don't realize what a Brazilian can truly do. I was nervous too, just like many of you might be right now. I thought, is it worth it? Is it going to be, painful? But I tried it myself, and let me tell you, it completely changed my perspective. This isn't just about hair removal. It's about self-care, a huge boost in confidence, and for some, it can even feel like a healing ritual, especially for those of us living busy city lives, like in New York or London. We value things that are efficient and make us feel good about ourselves. But here's what most estheticians don't tell you right away. There's a surprising benefit to a Brazilian wax that a simple bikini line tidy up just can give you. And I was skeptical at first, just like you probably are. So let's break it down from the very beginning. First up, what exactly is a bikini wax? Think of it as a neat cleanup. It removes any hair that might peek out from a standard bikini bottom. It's quick, straightforward, and a lot less intimidating for beginners. College students in places like Toronto often go for this option before a beach day because it's so easy. When it's done correctly by a professional, the pain is minimal. It's the perfect first step for anyone curious about waxing. But honestly, it's just the tip of the waxing iceberg. Now, let's talk about the Brazilian wax. This is the full experience. It removes hair completely, from the front all the way to the back. Professionals in London often choose a Brazilian for that polished, confident feel, especially when wearing form-fitting outfits. It really boosts your confidence in any kind of intimate wear. The key here is finding a skilled esthetician, because their technique makes all the difference. And trust me, the results can be life-changing, literally. Let's tackle the big question. Pain. Is it a myth or reality? A bikini wax is generally less painful, more like a quick sting. A Brazilian wax, on the other hand, involves more sensitive areas. But the pain is totally manageable, especially with the right techniques. For example, some salons in Sydney are known for offering numbing creams to take the edge off. The best part: the more consistently you wax, the less it hurts. Your hair grows back finer, and your skin gets used to it. A simple trick like proper breathing can also work wonders. It's not really pain. It's just a short moment of empowerment. You'll find athletes in LA often prefer a Brazilian because it gives them incredible smoothness during workouts, without any friction or irritation. But what if you have sensitive skin? Your skin deserves the same care as your face. Pre-waxing prep is your best friend. Gentle exfoliation and keeping your skin hydrated can prevent most irritation. It's a practice highly valued in Nordic countries, where gentle skincare is part of the culture. Never, ever wax over a sunburn, and always use calming oils afterward. If you're really worried, ask for a small patch test first. Hygiene and safety are non-negotiable. Look for a salon where sterile equipment is the top priority. Your esthetician should be wearing gloves, and everything should look spotless. Japanese salons, for instance, are famous for their ultra-clean techniques. And always be upfront about any allergies or skin conditions you have. Safety first, smoothness second. So, how do you prepare for your appointment? A few minutes of prep can lead to nearly pain-free results. Trim any long hair to about the length of a grain of rice. Gently exfoliate the area 24 hours before your appointment, not the day of. Make sure your skin is well hydrated in the days leading up to it, but avoid putting on any lotions or oils right before you go in. And wear loose, comfortable clothing to your appointment. Busy professionals in NYC often do their prep the night before to make it seamless. Aftercare is just as important. The glow doesn't stop at the wax, the care continues. Immediately after, apply a soothing, fragrance-free oil or gel. Aloe-based gels are a lifesaver, especially for beachgoers in Sydney. For the first 24 hours, avoid tight clothing, sun exposure, and hot baths or saunas. After about 48 hours, you can start gently exfoliating again to prevent ingrown hairs. How often should you be booking these appointments? For a bikini wax, every 4 to 6 weeks is pretty standard. For a Brazilian, to maintain that perfect smoothness, you'll want to go every 3 to 5 weeks. Consistency is key because it really does reduce discomfort over time. Professionals in London often stick to strict monthly appointments. Your calendar may need this new monthly appointment. Now, let's talk about mistakes to avoid, because these can save you weeks of regret. Don't try to wax hair that's too short or too long. Don't skip the skin prep or the aftercare. And please, be careful with DIY kits at home. In many parts of Europe, Brazilian waxes are only performed by highly trained estheticians for a reason. Using the wrong type of wax for your skin can also cause problems. The benefits go so far beyond just smooth skin. It's empowerment in every swipe. Many women, like those in Dubai planning luxury vacations, choose a Brazilian because of the incredible confidence it gives them. With the right technique, it actually reduces ingrown hairs over time, improves hygiene, and gives you long-lasting results that shaving just can't match. And don't forget the mental benefits. Your mind can feel as smooth as your skin. Turning your wax appointment into a self-care ritual can reduce stress and give you a sense of accomplishment. It's a moment for you. For professionals in Toronto, their monthly wax is a non-negotiable part of their self-care routine. It builds body positivity and can boost your confidence in all aspects of your life. So, which one is right for your lifestyle? If you have a very active lifestyle, like the surfers in LA, a Brazilian can prevent irritation and chafing during workouts. But if you're a frequent traveler and need a quick tidy-up for a last-minute trip, a bikini wax might be easier. It's all about picking what fits your life, not just following a trend. Let's bust some myths holding you back. Myth number 1. Brazilian waxes are always excruciatingly painful. False. Modern techniques, good preparation, and consistency make it very manageable. Myth 2. Waxing makes your hair grow back thicker. Absolutely false. It actually damages the follicle, so hair grows back finer and sparser over time. And the idea that waxing causes infections. Also false, as long as you go to a clean, reputable salon. What about waxing for mature skin? Age gracefully, wax confidently. As we age, our skin can become thinner, so it requires gentler techniques. Many women over 40 in London prefer warm sugar wax, which is less harsh on the skin. Extra moisturizing before and after is also key. You can and should adjust your routine based on the season. 2. In the summer, be extra careful to avoid sunburn before waxing. And in the winter, like in chilly Toronto, you'll need to focus more on hydration to prevent dry, flaky skin. A season doesn't have to stop your glow. Quickly, let's talk wax types. Hard wax is amazing for sensitive areas like the Brazilian because it sticks to the hair, not the skin. Soft wax uses strips and is faster for larger areas. Many high-end salons in Dubai use hard wax exclusively for Brazilians to get the smoothest results. Sugar wax is another fantastic, all-natural alternative. Picking the right wax is like painless magic. To reduce pain naturally, take a warm shower beforehand to open up your pores. Breathe deeply during each pull, and try to schedule your appointment in the morning, as some NYC professionals do, when your body's sensitivity is typically lower. A few simple tricks can mean zero regrets. Choosing the right esthetician is everything. Your comfort equals your power. Make sure they're certified, and that the salon is spotless. Salons in Tokyo are known for their incredibly strict training and hygiene standards. Read reviews, ask questions, and trust your gut. If you don't feel comfortable, walk away. So, if you're a first-timer, should you get a bikini or Brazilian? A bikini wax is an easier first step. It lets you get a feel for the process. A Brazilian is more of a commitment, but offers a huge confidence boost. Many students in Sydney start with a bikini and then upgrade to a Brazilian once they feel ready. Start small, glow big. My final takeaway is this: waxing is a personal choice. A Brazilian can be truly life-changing when it's done right, giving you a sense of freedom and confidence that busy professionals from London to NYC rave about. It's not just a wax. It's a ritual of self-love. I hope this helped clear things up. Let me know in the comments if you had a similar experience or if you have any fears holding you back. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and share it with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe and join our Glow fam. For my personal routine, I use a few Holy Grail products for smooth, pain-free waxing. I've put the links for you down below in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.